Get ready for the wildlife.
Hello my loves! So in today's Bedazzled Wednesday, I will show you how to do this half-cut crease eye look. To start off, we are going to apply the shade Peaches as our transition color. To define the outer V and crease, we are going to apply the shade Innocent using the SUKI Luxe Petite Crease Brush. Don't forget to blend it out to remove the harsh lines. Then to deepen it more, we are applying the shade Charming using the same brush on the same area where we applied Innocent. And again, blend it out to remove the harsh lines. After that, we are going to cut the inner half of our lid with a concealer. This will help in making our next eyeshadow pop out more, and it will also make our lids look bigger. Just make sure that you do this carefully, and if you also have hooded eyes, just look straight to see where you're going to apply the concealer. Then blend it out with a bigger concealer brush. After that, we are going to apply the shade Sexy on our lid on top of the concealer. Then to make the line more precise, use a smaller brush and apply the shade Charming to deepen the crease again. Do the same thing on the outer V to remove the harsh line and to make an ombre effect. And then blend it out to remove the harsh line. To highlight the brow bone, apply the shade Lice using a shader brush, then blend it again to remove the harsh line. And we are basically applying the same shades on the lower lash line to define it as well. Just apply the shade Charming on the outer corner and blend it out with the shade Peaches, and apply the shade Sexy on the inner corner of your lower lash line. To highlight the tear duct area, apply the shade Kiss Me using a small shader brush. And after that, apply a black kohl liner on the upper and lower waterline and apply your eyeliner. You can create a wing, but I wanted to make my eyes look rounder, so I just created a thin line on my upper lash line. Then curl your lashes and apply your favorite mascara on the upper and lower lashes, then pop in your falsies. That's it, loves. I hope that you'll enjoy recreating this look, and if you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and please click the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget what I always say to you guys: don't let your dreams just be dreams, make your dreams possible, and I'll see you all again on Friday. Bye guys! So in today's Monday try-on, I will be sharing with you guys my honest opinion about the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. So if you guys wanted to know if this foundation is worth your money, then just keep on watching.